This is what y'all mean when y'all say no makeup makeup. This is a no makeup makeup look. Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back / welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Today I'm coming to show you my no foundation routine / can you even tell that I have makeup on? Because I do, but we made it look seamless, okay? So I can do this makeup look in exactly 10 minutes or less. It took me 8 minutes today. So if you're interested in seeing how to achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join all 17,000 of us over here, okay? We lit. Again, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you know anytime I post a new video. Alrighty y'all, so we are starting off with a fresh face and I'm going to go right into concealing my face. All of the products that I use will be linked in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check out that description box. Just so you know, I did not do a lot of editing to this footage, y'all. Like, I kept it in real time. So if you're someone who likes to literally sit down with someone on YouTube and do your makeup at the exact same time, this is the perfect video, girl. Go ahead and get your makeup and we can do our makeup together, okay? So again, nothing is sped up. The only things I cut out was like me rummaging around for a brush or something, okay? So this is really how long it takes me to do this makeup look. It is so quick and so simple, I promise you. Alrighty, so sit back, relax, or sit back and beat your face as I'm beating my face. So something different you're going to see me do is set my under eye concealer with a powder foundation rather than going in with a loose setting powder. I feel like loose setting powders are a little more obvious, and since we're going for a super natural look, I don't want something that's too bright and I don't want something that like is too obviously sitting on my face. So that is why I opted for a powder foundation. I'm also just trying to get more into pressed powders for setting my under eyes. I recently watched a video by Jade Simone and she used a Charlotte Tilbury powder, which I've seen plenty of people use and swear by. So I may have to try that out, but that is why I went in with a pressed powder. You are going to see me use a stick blush here, and I'm just going to be using stick blush, stick highlighter. We're really not doing a lot of powders on our face, again, for the reason that I just mentioned. We don't want to look cakey. So a lot of my products are kind of like cream products that I'm not going to set. I'm just going to let it sit on my face and let it do what it do. Okay? Now y'all will notice that I got lashes on, okay? If you want to see how I apply these lashes myself, please let me know in the comment section. I'll go ahead and post a video about that. But I did these lashes myself and they look so good and so natural. So I felt like I didn't need anything on the top, so I'm just going in with some mascara on the bottom to help match it up. But yes, girl, she is a lash tech. Just kidding, I'm not a lash tech. I'm not licensed. I just did my lashes and I'm proud of myself. Okay, because first of all, it's giving. Second of all, it took me 8 minutes. That is the look, y'all. Again, we did a no foundation makeup routine in under 10 minutes and we look amazing. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.